sister to Desmond, and I believe that Billy, the brother, is here somewhere. I am told that he is here. I would like to special acknowledgement and thank the family for allowing us in the African National Congress to be part of this memorial. So on behalf of that, I would also like to acknowledge some of our senior leaders in the African National Congress. I would like to acknowledge Mr. Lalu Isuchiba, who is here with us today. I would like to acknowledge Shirish Nanabai, who is also a former Robben Islander, who is here today. Abdullah and Ali Jasset, who are also from Fordsburg, who also are here with us. Isi and Ramni Dinath, who are here. Dominic and Shanti, and obviously Hasi and his partner who are here. And all of you, it's a special welcome. And forgive me if I didn't mention everybody's name. It's also quite pleasant for me to see people I haven't seen for a long time. I mean, DR has come all the way from Pretoria. Thank you very much, DR and Logie, for being present here today. Thank you very much. Comrades and friends, we're going to start our memorial with the national anthem. Then we're going to have a little prayer from Uncle Mari. Thereafter, Andrew will play another musical item. Then we have a speaker from the South African Communist Party, Dominic Tweedy, who's going to speak. As you know, that Desmond was also a member of the Communist Party. So Dominic Tweedy will be representing the Communist Party. And then we have messages. We have a message from one of our dear friends, Paul Joseph, who's in London. And as you know, that Paul Joseph and Desmond were very, very close. And Hassan Lorgat will make some comments himself, but he will also read out the message from Paul Joseph. We also got messages from Don Mulji, who was part of the cell that Desmond belonged to in Lens, and Mr. E.S. Reddy. Mr. E.S. Reddy is an Indian from India, and he worked for many years in the United Nations. He was one of the United Nations under-secretaries. He interviewed Desmond after Desmond was tortured, and we have a message from Desmond which Mickey will read at the end, and obviously we will end up, we'll have another musical item from Andrew, and Mickey will then give us the final message from the African National Congress. So without any further ado, can we all stand and Desmond will play the national anthem? And those of you who are familiar with the national anthem can sing along.
Just before we sing the national anthem, I have in my hand a letter from Desmond in his own handwriting, and it's got our nation anthem written on it. Above are the words that we know so often, and we sing so often when we sing our national anthem, but how many of us know the meaning of the words? So, Uncle Jez, Uncle Samuel took some time out and he wrote this, the meanings of the words. I'll just go through the meanings before we actually sing the national anthem. It says, God bless Africa, raise high her glory, hear our prayers. God bless us, we her children. Morena Moloka, God protect our nation. Ufetise Diptwela, end all wars and tribulations. Oseboloke, protect our nation. Sichaba South Africa, our nation, South Africa. Die blauw van onze hemel is out of our blue heavens, out of the depths of our oceans, over our everlasting mountains where the echoing crags resound. And the last part is in English, sounds the call to come together, and united we shall stand. Let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa, our land. On the reverse side, there is some words that I'll read later on, but right now for the national anthem. Code Sikile Long live Tangabel, long live! Long live Desmond, long live! Amanda!
Thank you very much, Andrew. Thank you very much. I now call upon Uncle Mari, who is a resident priest. I'm sure Uncle Mari doesn't need any introduction, to open our memorial with a prayer.
Sorry, could you all rise, please? Arperum sori, Daniperum karunei, Arperum sori, Namashivaya varga, Nadantal varga, Imei Purdum, Yenangel, Ningadantal varga, Tenatudia, Sivane Poti, எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி போற்றி திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். உலகெல்லாம் உணர்ந்து ஓதற்கு அறியவன் நீல உலாவிய நீர்மழிவனியன். உலகெல்லாம் உணர்ந்து ஓதற்கு அறியவன் நீல உலாவிய நீர்மழிவனியன். அழகர் the meaning of Tangavel is a golden spear. And I suppose when his parents first saw him, they saw in him a leader and also a person who will make the difference as far as injustice is concerned. So no wonder that he eventually joined the Contra Suisa and the Communist Party so that he can make a difference in the lives of people. I have a little poem that I'd like to read, and I'm sure this would be most appropriate. It'll take just 2 minutes. அப்பானான் வேண்டுதல் கேட்டருள் புரிதல் வேண்டும். ஆர்வருக்கெல்லாம் நான் அன்பு செயல் வேண்டும். எப்பரமும் எப்பதமும் எங்கனும் நான் சென்றே என்னை நினைந்து அருள் புகழை இயம்பிடல் வேண்டும். செப்பாத மேல்நிலை மேல் சுத்த சிவமாக்கும் திகழ்த்தோங்க அருள் சோதி செலுத்திடல் வேண்டும்.
அருட்பெரும் சோதி அருட்பெரும் சோதி தனி பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் சோதி. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். Father, please give me a hearing to my supplication and grant that I may love all living beings through compassionate service. I may traverse over parts of the country to sing thy praises. I may reach everyone. Thou, thine grace light throughout through faith. May the pursuit of righteousness living have through grace light. Father, please forgive me if I have erred and if I have gone the wrong way. May forever I hanker to be inseparable with you. Thank you.
We will just have a small musical item from Andrew. While we are waiting on Andrew, a little bit of background. The 1940s, when the Nationalist Party came into power, 1948, discrimination was quite deep-rooted. There are many places that we and our fellow citizens across the highway in Soweto, in El Dorado Park, couldn't go to. Many institutions we couldn't attend to, those kind of things. And it was under these circumstances, after the banning of the African National Congress, when the ANC went underground, the ANC had set up underground cells. And one of the first cells to be set up in that period, in the early 60s, was probably set up. There's a party political cell set up in Indonesia, and the people who were mainly involved in it was Desmond, Billy Nannan, who was also a teacher, Don Mulji, who was a teacher in Lens, and Dasu Munsani, who was also a teacher. These were teachers who took grave risks, and they worked in the underground, mobilizing our people and fighting for liberation. And as we go along, many people will talk about their lives and talk about Desmond in particular, in his life and his detention and his torture. But today we are free, and we are here to say thank you to all those. We recently lost our beloved icon, Madiba, who played a big role. But with Madiba, there were many other people who played a big role that we need to begin to acknowledge today.
The song is called The Return of the Amasi Bird. In African folklore, they talk about a bird that when it left the country, the whole country suffered drought, there was poverty, and there was general lack in the country. When the Amasi bird returned, what it did was it brought back with it wealth and prosperity and good health. There was laughter again in the streets. And there is one person that you know who I'm talking about, and who was the return of the Amasi bird.
I think it was about 18 months ago, when my sister, I'm sure she wouldn't want me to say this when she turned 70, we had a party, and Desmond played music there, and Andrew played the music, and Desmond was present at that party. And we all enjoyed the music, including Desmond. And Desmond, I gave Desmond a lift home, and he was very proud that his nephew could play such great music. As I've indicated, that Desmond was a member of the African National Congress, member of the Transvaal Indian Congress, and he was also a member of the South African Communist Party. As you know, the Communist Party was already banned by then. So with us here today, we have Dominic Tweedy, who's an executive member of the Gauteng Provincial Executive Committee member of Gauteng Communist Party, Dominic Tweedy. We will call upon Dominic Tweedy to speak on behalf of the Communist Party. Dominic?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If I may, Prema, I'm going to take a liberty before I read my prepared material, because I've just received another message concerning Desmond, and now I can't make it work, but it's from a man called Mark Sweet. Mark was, for many years, a representative of SACTU, the South African Congress of Trade Unions, that preceded COSATU in London. And he's written to me, and I received it right now. So I'd like to read 2 paragraphs anyway. And he starts off saying, "One message I want to thank you for is Desmond Francis. Our struggle has so many heroes and heroines, and nowadays you find in the ANC, SACP, and the union movement, comrades don't know our history of those who served, often very humbly, and contributed towards making those who rose to prominence and whose overall contribution is often lost in the records of history, stored away. I met the late Des on a number of occasions when he came up to London, often with Steve